Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable disposable cards on Revolut. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Revolut application and then make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you've done that, tap the cards icon on the home screen, usually on your top right, and add a new card. Tap the plus add new or plus button, then select the disposable card type. Tap get card for free or confirm to create it. Then tap the card images or show details to see the card number, expiry, and CVV using Face ID, Touch ID if prompted. There's a couple of things you need to know. Use for one-off online purchases where you don't trust the merchant's security, and then details refresh after each transaction, preventing reuse. Also, limitations not for reoccurring payments, subscriptions, or in-store contactless payments. Use a multi-use virtual card for those. Also, when it comes to refund, you can still get refunds to your main Revolut account even after the disposable card details expire. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.